Guys. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to throw a softball. So step one is putting on the glove. We want to put the glove on our non-dominant hand and use our dominant hand to throw the ball. Step two is holding the ball. You want to grip the ball with all 5 fingers on the seams. So you want to turn the ball facing you so it forms a C. Once you have your C formed, you want to put the fingers on the ball like the picture shows. So here she has her C. You can't really see it because it's blocked down here. But her 4 fingers are on the seams up right here at the top, and her thumb is also on a seam, but this is towards the back of the ball. And step three is your stance. You want to be perpendicular to your target and have your legs shoulder width apart. So here she's facing her target, her legs are nice and bent and shoulder width apart, and she's ready to go. In step four, we're pointing the glove to our target. We want to point our glove to our target because we want a more accurate throw. And step five is learning how to throw the ball. Here you want to bring the ball back to your head with your palm facing away and make sure your elbow is at a 90-degree angle and your forearm is facing down. So here the picture shows her palm facing outward. Right here she has a nice 90-degree angle with her elbow and the forearm facing down. Step six, we're actually going to throw the ball here in step six. So you're going to bring your arm forward towards your target and release the ball when it passes your head. When you release, make sure you transfer your weight to your front foot. So this is the last step right here in learning how to throw a softball. Here I'm going to show a little video on what it should look like. So that's what it should look like once we're all done here. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned how to throw a softball.